Viewers, for the benefit of those who are seeing this leaf of Villadis, which is there, which already has been shown, on the left hand side in the margin, some marking has been made. So I had asked him, because most of the people are very curious to know what this margin means and what is has been written there. Can we get the explanation? So now Kaushikan Guruji has told me whatever has been written, he is going to give you explanation of that. Now you go ahead.
Yeah, this one is, so that means Sri, that who,
The first letter, just show him the in.
this,
Huh. This
this one,
is actually is a sort of a sign like Om. In South, it is called what?
Pillayar Suri.
Pilyar Suri.
Yeah,
Means it is something like Shri or
yes,
Om. It doesn't carry any other meaning, but it is some sort of a auspicious sign. Wherever you start begin writing letter or anything, you pray to the God of Lord
Ganesh
Ganesha.
ji.
So it is a sign of Ganesha. Next.
That another one, P,
Hmm.
Mu.
Hmm.
This is some indication like that uh,
Okay.
later or before, like that.
Okay, so I'll
Eh,
tell you, I'll explain it to you further. This P move had some reference which has been lost over a period of time. He himself, though he is an expert Nadi reader, he is also not exactly sure as to what stands for P and mu. But there is at some point of time this there it carried some meaning. Okay, now we below that.
Then these three are indicates the number,
Hmm. Number of leaves.
leaves.
Okay.
This one, this first letter indicate 8.
Huh.
In Tamil,
Okay.
this
8.
letter
Next.
is 8.
Hmm.
Second one is 10.
Hmm.
Third one is 5. So totally this number is 850. 15.
Huh. 815. Now
815.
let me give an explanation. Here, like Roman numbers, there are no Roman numbers in Tamil language. The numbers are also written with letter. Now we will later on show you what letter stands for what figure. Right? Here, as per his explanation, 8, 10 and 5 is the figure. Now it can be construed that 8105, but no, he says it is not so. I asked him, is it 805? He said no, it is not so. It is 815, means 815th this leaf number. And this leaf are having sequential numbers which later on in other leaves we saw. It is 16, 816, 817, 819, like that. Okay, now I'll request him to explain how the numbers and the letters are matching.
This letter K.
Ka. Huh.
This alphabet denotes 1.
Okay, hold on. You show us this one here.
This one.
Because this has got the English version also
Yes.
written there.
Yes. This K is indicate 1.
Huh.
Uh,
Next. Next.
second one is Wu.
Hmm.
That is you.
Huh.
So, in English letter it is 2.
Okay.
Number.
Actually, the pronunciation is U,
U.
but there is no U in English. That's why we have put is U as
Yes.
indication. But it U stands for two.
2.
Next.
Nya.
Hmm.
This one is Nya.
Yeah.
That is 3.
Yes.
This is some sort of Sa.
Huh.
So it is 4.
Okay.
This Ru is 5.
Huh.
This Sa
Hmm.
is 6.
Hmm.
Ye is 7.
Hmm.
I is 8.
Hmm.
Ta is 9.
Hmm.
This figure is giving 10 number.
Okay. So now, compared to this, please show us where it, how it is written.
This.
Hmm.
This is 8.
Okay, hold on. Show me that figure there, na. You bring it very close to that this thing.
Yes, yes.
Huh.
This letter is,
Hold on, hold on. Hold on. This first letter
this first letter
is matching
is
with
matching with
A.
this.
Okay.
This
Next.
second letter,
Hold on, hold on. Oh, that's
second
second letter
is matching this one,
10.
10.
Hmm.
This letter matching with this letter.
Okay.
So it is like this. we go here only.
Hmm.
This is written over here.
Hmm.
So as per this 8,
Hmm.
this 10,
Hmm.
this 5.
Hmm.
So it is not 8105.
Hmm.
So this number indicates like this:
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
10, 5.
Hmm.
So totally 815.
Okay. Great. Thank you very much.